שלום אהובים, מה שלומכם? היום יום ראשון, 10 לנובמבר 2024, אני רקפת מוזס, מנהיגה רוחנית, ואנחנו פה עם המסר השבועי כמו בכל שבוע, וכיף לראות את המצטרפים החדשים, ואני אגיד שמחר אני מאוד מתרגשת, יש לנו את מפגש החשיפה לתהליך קוד החיים, ואתם הולכים ללמוד כל כך הרבה דברים, הוספתי עוד מידעים, פשוט המון דברים על בית המקדש השלישי, על מימד הזמן, על המשמעות של הקריסטלים, הרבה מאוד דברים בקיצור שככה שאני בטוחה שיהיה לכם פעם ראשונה שאתם שומעים אותם, וכמובן נעבור גם מסע אסטרלי. אז אני אגיד דבר מאוד חשוב, שנרשמו כבר כמעט 300 איש ויש בחדר של הזום מקום רק ל100, אז תגיעו מוקדם כדי שתתפסו את המקום שלכם, אני אפתח את הזום יותר מוקדם כדי שתוכלו להיכנס ולתפוס את המקום. ואנחנו מתחילים אבל ב8:30, תביאו כלי כתיבה, יש המון מה ללמוד. אז זה מה שקורה מחר, ואני כמו שאתם רואים כבר מאוד מתרגשת, וחוץ מזה יש לנו ב14, שזה יום חמישי הקרוב, ויש לנו את סדנת חיבור למדריך הרוחני, למי שעדיין לא היה, אז זה הזמן להגיע, אני נותנת שם המון כלים פרקטיים, על איך לתקשר, איך לזהות את המסרים, אז בואו, יש לי הרבה מה לתת לכם. זהו, אני לא זוכרת מה עוד יש לנו שקורה עכשיו, אבל אני אשים לכם את כל הדברים החשובים בלינקים. כמובן יום שלישי, זום, חדשות המלאכים, יחד איתי, 8:30 בבוקר, וכמו שאתם רואים, כל מי שהצטרף לאחרונה, אז באמת אנחנו לומדים הרבה מאוד דברים חשובים מתוך המסר בזומים האלה, אז תודה על התגובות שלכם גם על הזומים האלה, זה מאוד מחמם את הלב ומרגש לקרוא את מה שאתם כותבים. זהו, בואו נלך לראות את המסר שלנו לשבוע הזה. אוקיי. I, Raqefat, demand to receive the message from a high and reliable source in a way that is not ambiguous, and the message will be understandable to me and to everyone who will watch the message now and in the future, and that the message will work for our highest benefit. Thank you for sharing these messages with all humanity. We are the energy of the water. We live in the sea, but at the same time, we live in the air that you breathe. We are the O in H2O. We are the energy that changes to oxygen. We are the energy that changes back to water. We go through your body, and when you release us, when you breathe, we are not separated from you yet, but we move as a spiral around you. It is the first time that we come to speak to you. But it is not because we were just born, we exist. We exist for many years. And not only in this planet. We exist in other planets, in other dimensions. But you see, we are here today to talk to you about the being that you are. Because if you will look at us, you will probably understand that as an O, we all the time connect to other chemicals, and we are separated from them as well, but we keep our energy whole the whole time. Yes, we change, but at the same time, we are who we are. So we wish for you today to listen so you can understand something about yourself. You, each one of you, is just like us, a chemical. You have an energy flowing in you, through you, from you to you. And at all times, the energy is helping you to connect to other chemicals around you, to create something new, like in this lesson of unity that you are now in. But at the same time, you need to keep on being you. And when we are saying this sentence, listen again, keep on being you. We are asking you to be in your being. That means that you need to find out what is your being. Now, we have started talking to you about it before, not us, the angels. But the question is, who are you when you are in your being? Not your doing, as you're so used to look at, not your having. You are not what you have, and you are not what you do. You are who you be. Now we wish to give you some questions to think about, and you will find out the answer. Believe us, we will come again to help you find the answers. When you are a being, you're always connected to Mother Earth, to the air that you breathe, to the wind that you feel, to the fire, to the sun, to the moon. You're always connected to nature, you're always connected to the elements. When you are a being, and you are all a being. So in order to find out who you are as a being, ask yourself, how do I affect the elements and how the elements affect my life? It's a tough question, we know, but it's time for you to ask that question. Because you see, the lesson of unity is asking you to be, not to have, not to do, to be. And when you are in your being and other people are in their being, you can connect, because you will affect on one another, but at the same time you will keep your being. You will create something new, but at the same time you will be you. And it will be okay to connect and to be separated at the same time. And it will be okay to see the time that is right for you to connect and the time that is right for you to separate. And you will not judge the times, you will not judge yourself, you will not judge the other person. You will be, and you will know that in your being you keep yourself as a whole. So we wish for you to ask this question today. Do it for each element. Do it for each power of nature. The sun, the moon, the wind, the fire. Ask yourself how they affect my life. Mother Earth, night and day, water. How do they affect my life and how do I affect them? We will listen to your answers and will help you understand more when the time will come. Thank you. Wow. That was a very, very interesting, a little bit confusing message. I never met this energy before, but I have felt them so strongly in me and around me. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's practice. Please pass this message on and let's practice what I've asked us to practice in the being, and ask the questions. Be in the being. What does it mean for you to be in your being? Who you are when you are in your being? What is your being? So I wish to read your answers, and maybe from reading other people's answers will help us, other people, understand who we are in our being. So please pass this message on, and please answer the question here in my Facebook so that other people can read as well. Thank you.